Good night, teacher. My name is Jordi Rosales. My dialogue. Good morning, can help you? Good morning. Yes, please. In look for a jug. Sorry, what color are you looking for? In like a black jug, please. We have this one. It black and made of cotton. Oh, it looks nice. What size is it? It a medium size, but we also have large and small. Can I try it on? Of course, the fitting room is over there. After a few seconds, it fits me perfectly. Wow, Moose, it is. It's 120 soles wood today. We have a 10% discount. That's great. Do you have it in Bluetooth? Yes, we do. Here it is. Hmm, prefer the black one. Go, Choki. Would you like to pay in pants or be credit card? Il pay be card, please. Okay, please insert your card. Done. Perfect. Here your receipt. Thank you very much for your help. You're welcome. Have a nice day. You too. Goodbye. Thanks, teacher.